morning. I'm taking a little bit of a pre-breakfast morning walk. Not a huge one. I was going to go over all the way up to the big Voters Brook overlook again. That'd probably take me about probably half an hour to 45 minutes to get all the way down there and back. And I just found out we've got a thunderstorm coming in probably about 11. And hold on, it's 9:30 right now. I gotta have time to make breakfast, clean up, and to put things away to get ready to head out here. I'd really rather not be doing that in the middle of a heavy thunderstorm. So I'm just gonna walk down and go back down to that little viewing area along the little brook down here. I got my coffee with me, got my camera. Do a couple quick photos and then we're gonna head back, make some breakfast, and start packing up and getting ready to head out, I guess. Oh, my mind's a little bit more screwed up now because these thunderstorms are supposed to be coming in the afternoon, and now they're saying 11 o'clock. Ugh. But anyway, so we'll do what we can here. This is my day I have to pack up and head out of here. 2 nights is... Don't mind my phone. Two nights here in this place is definitely not enough. There's a lot to explore here, a lot of trails, a lot of things to see. And I have barely scratched the surface on this place, so definitely need more time here. True bug. But for now, we got a ham radio convention to go to tomorrow out in Marlborough, Mass, so we gotta head down that way. It's gonna be strange. We're going from one extreme to the other out here. And here it's total privacy, total quietness. I didn't have to put up any blocks on any of the windows in my van. Just completely by myself. And that's why I woke up this morning. And tonight when I go to bed, I'm gonna have to cover everything in the van because I'm gonna be parking lot camping. I'm going to have people around me everywhere, a lot of noise and everything else. It's going to be one extreme to the other. So, but the fact of the matter is I need to test my abilities and practice on this stuff because eventually I'm going to be on some longer adventures with that van. And these adventures are going to require me to occasionally not be able to find a place to stay. And I'm going to have to stay at like a rest area or a Walmart parking lot or something like that. So got to make sure I'm equipped to do that. So this is more of a controlled environment trip just to try it out here, and we'll have some experience on how to do it in the future better. So anyway, we're getting up onto the little overlook here. Well, not the overlook, but the little brook over here. Let's see if there's anything worth taking a picture of down here this morning. Nothing too exciting going on over here this morning, but nice little quiet area there. The babbling brook is nice. Probably a lot better if it wasn't overcast and didn't have a thunderstorm rolling in the next couple hours. But it's not bad here. It's quiet and things like that. I was just hoping for some better photo opportunities. Anyway, I guess it's time to head back and start making breakfast. Okay, so today for breakfast we're just going to keep it real simple. I'm going to dirty as few dishes as possible here, so I'm probably going to use paper plate and disposable utensils today. I hate doing it, but the less dishes I have to wash with the thunderstorm coming in, the better I like it. So I'm going to keep it simple though. We're just going to make bacon, sausage, egg, and a hash brown. That's my breakfast today. Quick and simple. So there it is. I'm just eating it in the van here. I'm not even bothering putting the lighting system on or anything right now. Quick and simple. Hash brown, eggs, sausage, and bacon. So this will get me through today. And then we gotta pack up faster than I was planning. It is what it is. I left my coffee outside. Ugh. Sorry about the poor lighting and all the noise. Thunderstorm came rolling in, but I got everything in the van now. There's no room for me. Can't get into the driver's seat yet. but everything, including the bicycle, is inside the van now. So the next task here is I gotta start organizing things and get myself ready to get out of here, I guess. I'm gonna do much with this big bike in the way. I'll get a bike rack for the back of this van here. But everything's in the van. It started raining the last couple of minutes there before I quite got everything in here. So I just tossed everything in. I figure I can figure it out later. So that's what I'm going to do now. Try to figure out what to do with everything here. Are we having fun yet? Talk about bad timing for the storm to come in. I managed to get everything fairly well neatened up back there. Yeah, my shirt got wet. I decided the heck with it. I'm not going to wear it for a while. It's really hot and sticky inside this van right now. I'm going to get the engine started, get the air conditioner on, and get the windows all defrosted. So I can see where I'm going. But yeah, we're ready to move at least anyway. Got everything in, then I realized I left my stool outside. So that's all soaked, but got everything in here anyway. But guess we're gonna move up to the parking lot by the campground where it's a little bit more undercover here, a little less rain coming down on me. Finish getting things cleaned up here. I want to dump the trash in the dumpster anyway before I take off, so. And we'll get on our way. It's not quite the not quite the way I expected to be departing here. Decided to take a quick stop at the Robert Frost Wayside. Really an interesting little area, a lot of trails through here too. And then right there I could get onto this whole trail system here. Water tower crosswalk? Interesting. This was a little area ski nets, okay. Very interesting. A little trail system out this way here. This hiking trail here, or just ends abruptly up here for some weird reason. I don't know, let's find out. Looks like it just ends abruptly. How odd. Sure, looks like there used to be a bridge here. And it continues on the other side. Okay. Not what I expected. Oh. There we go, made it. There used to be a bridge there, or they're still in the process of constructing it. I'm not sure which it is. Neat place. Glad I decided to stop here. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Oop, low bridge. Noisy flyers. Of course, my microphone's aimed towards me right now, so you probably didn't hear them. Not even sure what those are. Anybody knows what those are, let me know. Oh wow. I did not expect this. I absolutely did not expect this. This is nice. Looks like it's still under construction here. I don't know, like a spot for a bench right there or something. Yeah, it is. It's still under construction. We'll definitely have to revisit this place sometime. Move up to the street here. Huh. Pretty cool. Alright, that's probably where we're going to stop here. Used to be a tavern here. Huh. Well, if you want to read that, just pause the video and you can take a look at it. I'm not going to hold it here. Alright. Get back to the van here. I know my mother will know who this is. 10% battery remaining. Oh no. Put another battery in my camera. That was a good stop. Definitely will come back here again sometime when the when the weather's a little bit more stable. Well, that was a fun stop. I knew the Robert Frost Wayside was here, but I had never stopped here before to take an actual look at it there, and it's going to be well worth coming back for a future explore. That trail looks really interesting. Like I said, the weather's just unstable today. I don't want to be caught too far away from the van and have the sky open up on me, so I'm going to stay close to the van right now. And yes, I still haven't put my shirt on yet. So I'm going to once again break today's adventure up into multiple smaller videos. So this way I can spend more time showcasing my day's travels and scenery as I go along. So with that, I want to thank my supporters who have been buying me gas to help me get on my adventures. If you've been enjoying these adventures and you've not already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, everybody. And remember, slow down and enjoy life, and we'll talk to you guys later.